Hello, what's up, whoever is going to be watching this, if anyone. Uh, Recently, I've been looking at Vue. I've taken a little interest in it. Actually, not a little. I actually want to learn it proper, and I'm in the process of learning it. So, in this video, I just basically want to just show how easy it is to build something with Vue and get something up pretty quick. Nothing serious at all. I'll attempt to build something bigger maybe later, but for now, I'm just going to make like a simple, like maybe two input fields, and then you just enter names, and then you just fill up a list and just demonstrate how easy that is. Though I'm late to the party, well, at least I'm now in the party. Well, for as long as it's still around anyways. So, going to do the usual stuff. Target the div element with an ID of app. My data will simply be, oops, my data will simply consist of a first name that's an empty string, a last name that's also an empty string, and an array of full names, which is just the combination of first name, last name values. And then I'll have a computed property that's simply called, okay, I can't call it full name again. Oh wait, actually I can call it full name. And it will simply be a function that returns a string that's the value of this dot first name and this dot last name. So in general, I think I like the way Vue is. I don't really know much about it, but well, baby steps, eh? So I'm going to have an add function that simply adds more names to the full names array. So to start off, we'll just say this dot full names dot push uh, this dot full name, and pretty much that's it. And then here, what will we have? We'll have an input which is going to be type text, and then we'll have a v model, and we're simply going to say first name. And then we'll have another input which is last name. I'm using WAMP server. Uh, Anyways, and what else do I need? Let's just make that an ordered list with the list item. Uh, the list item will simply be full name for full name in full names. Yeah, that's how it goes. And then its text would just be that full name. And then I'm going to need a button where whenever I click on it, I simply call the add function that I defined in my Vue instance right here. So I think with that amount of speed right there, I think I already have something. Maybe some mistakes here and there. Oh, I forgot to just add a little text here. Let's just say add full name. And let's see if this works. Nigel Uno. I don't know if this is how you spell Uno, but oh, and there you go. It works. So is this all? No, that's not all. Well, in terms of my short demonstration. So instead, let's say we wanted no duplicates to show up in the full names array. So we can simply say if not, this dot full names dot includes this dot full name, then we'll add the element. So if the full names array does not include the name that the whoever is using this has entered, then it won't be pushed in. So let's try this again. So let's try that again. So this isn't really a tutorial or anything, but just me trying to figure out if I can have uh, just just a feeling of how Vue works. Let's see. Let's try Winston Churchill. I hope I haven't butchered his name somehow. And then if we try to enter him some more, nothing happens. So let's say if we wanted to put in an error message whenever someone tries to enter a name that's already there. Let's just say we'll just do this error message. We'll just have a paragraph tag whose text is actually error message data. So here we just say error message, which is initially just an empty string, or should I say, which is initially just a string, not holding any characters. And then here we'll just say this dot error message. Every time they manage to get through, we'll just keep on setting the error message back to an empty string. And then if they are getting stuff wrong, we'll just be setting it to you have already entered that name. So let's try again. Virgil. Let's go for Virgil. What was his last name? I'll just say that. I can't remember. Oh, oh, this is unexpected. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. My bad. Mm, yeah. Let's see. Chun Li. And there you go. Anyways, for now, that's just my quick demonstration. I have plans for using Vue in maybe, not maybe, but in future videos, I plan on using Vue some more. I like it. It's pretty simple to get into, and you can get into it pretty quick. How you can just map these input fields to specific data like that. Any changes made here affect this place. It's just pretty intuitive. I've been looking at Angular as well and React, uh, but as a starting point, I guess I'll start from Vue, and yeah, I'll see how it goes. And that's pretty much it. Peace.